Welcome to the Fox59 Marketplace.
We are joined today by Darren Andrews, Clinic Director of PAI We Grow Hair Indy. We are standing in their brand new state-of-the-art hair restoration facility, which actually makes it one of the largest, if not the largest, in the Midwest.
Yeah, thanks, Heather. We're really proud of the new space. Obviously, we've been here for 15 years at the Pyramids, still at the Pyramids, just in Building 2 on the first floor now. So we've really set everything up for the best technology, best results with the client in mind, and technology is very important to us. We're always growing.
And we're standing in one of your brand new state-of-the-art surgery suites, which has state-of-the-art robotics and also great lighting.
Yeah, thanks, Heather. We are. So we're in the ARTAS Robotic FUE room, one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer the ARTAS Robotic FUE and the multi-unit hair grafting. We've set everything up here for patient comfort, quality of results, and ensuring that we get the best results also means giving our staff and teams the best equipment. So we're super proud of our new space.
And it's really nice because they have a lot of privacy, separate entrances and exits.
Yeah, that's really important. You know, we do a lot of hair transplants now, so the privacy for the patient is really important. So coming in from the side of the building, the entryway there, and leaving really isolates everything on procedure day, coming and going, so it's really nice and private.
And we should point out you still offer the PRP and the new biotech
Yeah,
exosomes.
the exosomes, yeah. So PRP, platelet-rich plasma, taking that global approach, keeping what you've got with things like PRP and the new exosomes biotech, which is really awesome.
Thanks for showing us around today, Darren. This really is a beautiful space. So how do people schedule a consultation?
Yeah, thanks, Heather. So 888-724-5129 is the phone number, or visit wegrowhairindy.com.